Hi guys, welcome to another video. मैं हूं आपका host Omi and today we're gonna see कि 55,000 BTC के बाद what's happening next. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section. And now let's get into our video. Welcome back guys. Now let's see what's happening in the news. News is very important right now because we need to know कि कब FOMO करना है और कब नहीं करना. So that we will always know from the news. So let's dig in and see what's happening. New Zealand eases crypto, raises 11.75 million. stock market float. तो बहुत सारी कंट्रीज और अडॉप्ट कर रही हैं या उनके इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो हैं क्रिप्टो को अडॉप्ट करना शुरू हो गए हैं. दिस इज अनदर कंट्री वी सीन लेटली वी आर सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रीज और अब न्यूजीलैंड भी उसमें शामिल हो गया है. Next news we have MakerDAO founder plans to address climate change and pivot back to Ethereum. अब ये एक बहुत significant news है because we're finding out new use cases from blockchains that can help our world and make it a better place. So MakerDAO is working on climate change through Ethereum and hopefully it works out so we have a greener earth and cleaner water and more health conscious society. Let's see what's happening here. 3 reasons why Terra Luna price hit a new all-time high. I also think it will because Terra Luna has a lot of potential. It's a very good project. Their blockchain is very good and also the layers below Luna are doing pretty well lately. Luna का जितना भी overall project है, it's been executing very well and I'm expecting Luna to be somewhere about $70 to $80 in the next all-time high. Big news for Dogecoin lovers. Dogecoin is going to be accepted by AMC Theaters and it's going to be another use case coming in for Dogecoin. Dogecoin के कुछ ज़्यादा use cases हैं. Somewhere it's used as a gift card, somewhere it's used as a currency and now we have another use case coming for Dogecoin. I really don't like Dogecoin or Shiba Coin or all these meme coins because they don't have a significant use case to this world to offer. तो अच्छे कॉइन्स हैं, ओके हैं, एलन मस्क के फेवरेट हैं, उसके ही हैं, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि बस यू बिकम बुलिश ऑन देम. सो स्टिल समथिंग बेटर देन नथिंग. स्लोली विद हिज न्यू टीम दे आर डेवलपिंग मोर यूज केसेस for Dogecoin and trying to bring it to mainstream. If you remember lately उसने अपनी पूरी टीम चेंज की है Dogecoin की, so it's probably gonna start working out things for him and they'll figure out more use cases today. And I hope Dogecoin and Shiba Coin and all these coins come up with a very good use case or utility in the future. So let's move on to our greed and fear index. Wow, so our greed and fear index right now is at 76. That means we're at higher levels already and people are quite happy. तो हम लोग पहले थे बहुत सारे लो लेवल्स के ऊपर. वी वेंट एट 20 लास्ट वीक, वी वेंट 23. yesterday we were at 68. now slowly we're gaining momentum and we're up to 76. so this shows you कि अब हम मार्केट में एक अपर लेवल के ऊपर आ गए हैं. लाइक आई ऑलवेज से कि लेवल टू लेवल मार्केट चलती है. तो अब जब हम लोग अपर लेवल में आ गए, वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट मे बी द ग्रीड माइट इंक्रीज फ्रॉम हियर और वी कैन सी अ शार्प करेक्शन और पुल बैक इन द मार्केट और फिर उसके बाद थोड़ी ये नीचे आ जाएगी. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड इंडिकेटर टू लेट यू नो कि मार्केट में इस वक्त क्या सर्कमस्टेंसेस हैं. रिमेंबर व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू टू बाय इट एट फियर एंड नाउ यू कैन सी वेयर द मार्केट इज एट व्हेन वी आर एट ग्रीड. So let's see what's happening in the altcoin season. Oh my god, we're quite far when it comes to altcoin month. We can already see that because ethereum की dominance इतनी ऊपर है. So we're at 18 when it comes to altcoin month index. यहाँ पे भी हम लोगों ने थोड़ा decrease किया in the past day and now we're at 41. Year में हमारे पास अभी भी बहुत सारी possibility है. Maybe this year becomes out to be an altcoin year, but as far as the month is concerned right now, तो हम लोग बहुत दूर चले गए हैं and we're only seeing BTC pumping. So let's see what's happening in the markets. So if we see in the markets, what's happening is certain coins have lost a lot of gains. जिसमें AVAX है, AVAX haven't been pumping for almost 7 days. Telcoin है, network based coin, Theta, RAN, AMP, Doge, Algo, XDC, XC Infinity. Though some coins if you see are only down in 24%, they aren't down overall in 7 days. So overall market की अगर condition देखें, it's still good. We're just seeing कि alts aren't pumping. So let's see which are the gainers. So gainers में we have Shiba. I really don't like that coin, but if you have it, good for you. Take profit and put it in some good coin. I really like Phantom. I have it. I'm happy. It's up. It's pumping. I have AR. It's pumping. I love AR a lot too. Overall, we can see Stellar. So we can see Monero, DYDX, Rab, Zcash, Mina, Clay, Litecoin. So overall, what we can see is the pairs that work better with Bitcoin right now are the ones that are pumping. And overall, if we see at the market, the dominance is at 45.2. As discussed, it's very high right now in the market. Ethereum is about 18.2. It's still alright. We want Ethereum to be about at 19 and BTC's dominance to come down for alts to pump. Overall, if I look at the market right now, it's very dominated by BTC. If you look at the cap, it's about at 2.30 trillion, an increase of 4.28% over the last day. If we look at the increase in dominance, that's about 1.41%. That's a lot of increase in a day. So let's look into our charts and what's happening in our charts. As discussed, okay, dominance बहुत high hai. Let's look at it in 4 hours. So the last time the dominance was somewhere at these regions was 18th August. We have a small we have a resistance here. I'm expecting कि यहाँ से reject होके थोड़ा नीचे आएगा. That's good. That way it's gonna give chance for alts to pump and market to stabilize a bit, because it's not nice कि अकेले जो है BTC is going and going and going. That's not good for the market also. That's not a healthy move. Let's see at Ethereum's dominance के Ethereum की dominance के क्या हाल चल रहे हैं. तो Ethereum की dominance बहुत नीचे आ गई है. We don't want to cross these levels. We know when we cross these levels, we don't really see Ethereum performing well. We want Ethereum to be somewhere around here, or if something here would be the best case scenario. But obviously the markets don't work like how we want them to be. हमारी खुशी से नहीं चलती है, अपनी मर्जी से चलती है. So let's expect and hope के the dominance. Overall Ethereum की dominance is quite down. We expect कि Ethereum की dominance नीचे आ जाएगी, तो we were gonna see something better in the market. Let's see what's happening in BTC. So अगर BTC को देखें तो BTC की एक 4 आवर में चलते हैं, और we can even see it in 1 hour. अगर हम लोग 1 आवर में भी देखें तो we used to have this high before that we didn't break. तो हमारी एक strong resistance थी जहाँ से हम reject हो रहे थे constantly, and now we have broken through that yesterday, and now the market is somewhere here. So we're quite stabilized now. We're sideways, and if the dominance comes down obviously, and if it keeps increasing, that would be a sign कि BTC अब और ऊपर जाना चाह रहा है. Let's see what's happening on BTC fib levels. तो fib levels पे अगर हम देखें 4 hour के chart में, we are in 0.7 और 0.6 के अंदर हम लोग ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं. हमें पता है ग्रे जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा हाई जोन्स होते हैं. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी आर गोना परफॉर्म देयर. लेट्स चेक आउट Ethereum. Ethereum's been a bit slow, काफ़ी साइडवेज है. इट्स बीन ट्रेडिंग अबाउट $100 के गैप से. Not much gains right now in Ethereum because of BTC's rolling the market alone. Let's check out AR, because we're seeing AR performing. AR is a very good coin. AR is a storage based coin and it's backed by Solana and other ecosystems. Most of Solana's cloud data is stored on AR, and it's one of the fastest storage data blockchain, and it does it very fast. It's very famous. It has a very bright future. So it's a very good coin to keep with you, and it has a potential to be maybe 10x easily. AXS को देखते हैं तो AXS was in a downtrend. We broke that yesterday. People made some good profits here, and now we're back in the correction zone. So it's a bit sideways for now, but hopefully जैसी alts में pump आएगा AXS will react. The same goes for Solana. I'm expecting Solana to pump too from here. If we see Solana in 1 hour, it did perform yesterday, but then it got rejected, and now it's sideways again. So what other coins I think that can pump? If we look at AVAX, AVAX is in a good place to buy. It's back in our buying zones. Don't forget to buy AVAX. AVAX is a great project. EGLD is also doing pretty well. EGLD is in these zones. I do expect EGLD to maybe go here, might get rejected, never know. Yesterday it tried, it got rejected at 243. FTM performed really well. FTM is doing great. FTM is another great project, another amazing blockchain. FTM's gains are amazing. It went all the way up to 1.8 and it's still pumping, as we can see. Another project I feel like has another potential when it comes to alts has to be FTT. FTT, another project that has a lot of potential. It already has created a good all-time high. I'm expecting maybe it's gonna retest its all-time high soon once all the alts break free from Ethereum's dominance. Similar goes to Luna. Luna, I'm expecting somewhere to be in the regions of $60 to $80 in this bull run. So do fill your bags for Luna as well. What else do we think that could perform? Because the market is quite sideways right now after yesterday's big pump. We're having a small correction and a pullback. Alice is another good coin. I do recommend people buying Alice as well, though it's not in my buying zones. If you see, Alice has been floating in these zones. If you want, you can DC a bit here. If it comes down, just average out. If it just goes up, great luck for you. It's very difficult to confirm a bottom of a coin. So what we do is we make levels and levels, and we try to see KR. If we buy it at this level, okay, नहीं buy कर पाए, buy it at a different level, and then you average out the prices. Obviously जब आपने दो levels पे लिया होगा, your price will come on a middle average. जब वो middle average पे आ जाएगी तो you will understand, all right, from here if it goes up I can make profit, if it goes down from here, or however it's easier for you to do calculations. BTC को देखते हैं एक दफ़ा. We're gonna decide what's gonna happen and I'll show you what I feel like is possible. तो अभी जो है ना BTC की दो situations हो सकती हैं. Whether we're gonna pump up from here, point A, because we can see BTC's dominance is still increasing, so it might go and test our 58 and 57 zones, maybe test these zones. This is one possibility. Or else we might come down to 51 zones somewhere here, or might just test 49 too, and then from here we could possibly bounce back up. We do have to test 57 zones. It's compulsory for us. This is the last resistance zone, and if we do break that, then there's nothing that can stop BTC from reaching 63 all-time high again, because there's not much resistance there. Overall the market looks all right. Trade carefully, do monitor Bitcoin dominance. We're expecting some big moves, and also watch for ethereum. That's all from today's video. I hope you guys have a great day. Trade safely and share your thoughts in the comment section. Smash the like button. Bye bye guys, take care.